You can use AND operators to combine your conditions in if statement. Here I have Jane's age set to 21, and then I'm checking if the age is greater than 16. Then I want to print the message saying that Jane is eligible to drive. And that is what is getting printed because Jane's age is 21, which is greater than 16. Let's say if I want to add one more condition checking that age should be less than 100, then only we want to print this message. So we want to check two conditions. One is age should be greater than 16 and age should be less than 100 in order to print this message. So one way to handle that situation is by adding another if condition by checking age should be less than 100 and then adding curly braces in which will print this message here. And now it will check both these conditions. It'll check if the age is greater than 16 and age is less than 100, then only it will print this message. So if I refresh this page, it's going to print the message because 21 satisfies both these conditions. If I make it 210 and then refresh the page, then it's going to print no message because 210 is greater than 100. So this is one way you can write it. Another way is by adding this condition to your existing if condition. You can do that by using AND operators. So I can say AND, I'm going to cut this condition and paste it here. And then we don't need this if condition. I can remove this if condition and make my code look nicer. Now it will check if the age is greater than 16 and age is less than 100, then only it will print this message. So if I refresh this page, it's going to print no message because it's not satisfying both of these conditions. If I make this 21 and then refresh the page, it's going to print Jane is eligible to drive. So this is how you can use this AND operator to combine your conditions in one if statement. In the next section, I'm going to talk about OR operators.